One of the scenarios today was a multi-victim rescue, because most often there is the first person that goes down in that confined space, and then the would-be rescuers enter that confined space not knowing that there's another danger to it, and they go down, and so quite often would-be rescuers becomes victims themselves.
Raise on 2 to 1. Whoa.
The scenario inside was more of a confined space situation where there would be a worker that is entered into that space, and they've got a confined space entry permit, and they go down. And that one was a little bit more elaborate in the length of the confined space and the different levels of it. They had to maneuver through some pipes and over some obstacles to find that victim. This one was set up as a toxic atmosphere, and so they were on air for this, and the person who went down did not have an air supply with them, so they had to apply an air supply, put it on that victim, and then remove them to safety utilizing a team effort and a number of different mechanical advantage pieces of equipment that we bring with, as far as carabiners, webbing, some prusik loops, and we all carry an edge kit that's got a length of rope with it that we can build some different mechanical advantages. Each of the scenarios, we start out with them just going through it where they're able to have good vision and be able to see what's going on. And then, because most of these confined spaces have maybe a different humidity level, or there's a dust component to it, or some sort of gas component, where as you enter into that space, your mask will fog up if you're on air. And so we use a smoke screen that goes over to obscure the vision, which just makes it more difficult but more realistic in the rescue itself. And so entering into there, you're unable to, especially in a true situation, you don't know what the layout of that space is. And so you have to go more by feel, and not only to make your way through that space and find that victim, but also to manipulate any of the equipment that you're bringing with, setting up a mechanical advantage or tying in or connecting a harness to that victim to bring them to safety. So it adds another level of difficulty, but also a reality that we would face. The training that we do goes above and beyond what you need to complete to be a part of the Billings Fire Department. So it includes the initial 40-hour rope rescue training along with annual refreshers to maintain our skill level. And so the people that are on this team have a passion for the technical rescue component of it. And a lot of us, there's just a real interest in it, and there's an excitement about the technical aspects of it and the different gear that you have to learn and utilize.